I'm comparing the Vitamix Ascent series compared to the NutriBullet 900 series. The Vitamix has a much more powerful motor. It will grind pretty much anything that you put in there, from ginger root to, I find frozen avocados really difficult to grind up sometimes. And pretty much whatever's in there after a minute, it will be liquefied. The NutriBullet, it doesn't quite have the motor that the Vitamix does, so it doesn't grind up everything. So I will get chunks in it. The NutriBullet, though, is nice with these particular models because it does have the individual serving size right here. And it has, as you can see, 2 different serving sizes. So it is easier to clean than the Vitamix. The Vitamix of this series just has the large container, which is nice if you are serving more than one person. So, and also I did break the lid once, and I just contacted Vitamix and they sent me a new one, no questions asked, for no cost. So there's excellent warranty program with the Vitamix. The NutriBullet, I feel like I usually have to get one about every 2 years. The motor does run out typically after that. So in the Vitamix, I would expect it to be for a lifetime. The blades in here, see right there, they don't come out at all. And if we're talking about the blades on this integrated, there's a little max line right there. So you only need to put so much in there. Yeah, the blades, they're not as sharp as the Vitamix option. This seal does wear out as well, so you do have to replace that a couple times of the year as well.